What else is missing in Karbi Anglong? To progress and to develop the district, Karbi Anglong is blessed with its rich natural resources. One among the valuable and commonly found natural resources is coal. But due to excessive illegal coal mining business taking place at the district, it seems like the nature-gifted natural resources would soon come to an end. Likewise, on 29th of August, 3 fully loaded illicit coal-carrying truck was intercepted by the local villagers at the perimeter of Kotkoti Steel Factory under the jurisdiction of Kotkoti Police Station. It was reported that the villagers intercepted the fully loaded trucks bearing registration numbers AS03 BC 7374, AS01 NC 5514 and AS09 AC 5877 on suspicion. The trucks were on its way to deliver the product at Kotkoti Steel Factory. It was then the local asked the drivers to produce legal permit papers. The papers showed to the villagers were unexpired work permits, and the destination for supplying the coal was also mentioned Dimapur on the papers. To understand the actual scene of the event, the villagers called the staffs of Kotkoti Forest Checkgate and informed about the incident. The staff of Kotkoti Forest Checkgate informed that the coal mining business do not fall under the jurisdiction of Forest Department, but it is governed by the Mining Department. Kotkoti Police, on hearing the news, also reached the spot and took over the matter in their hands for further investigation of the case. Several factories like CCI, Bricks Factory, Steel Factory, Radiant Manufacturing Private Limited, and many more under Bokajan subdivision runs with coal. Hence, the demand for coals in the region is tall. These companies tend to purchase coals from the black market with a cheaper price to obtain more profits for the company. And the fact is, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council is still following the age-old rules and regulations made for mining purpose. No new amendments had been made so far to regulate advanced system for mining business under the administration of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. Ananterang's report from Bokajan, Karbi Anglong Live.